Morgan, take one. Oh wait, hang on. Environmental and sustainability engineering in particular is really future jobs, future focused, and you also have a positive impact on the environment. Being someone who's dyslexic, I didn't think that I was as smart as everybody else because I really just learned a different way. I'm a hands-on learner, I'm a tactile learner. The way that Deakin teaches in so many different ways, it really does cater for all learning styles. The way that Deakin has set up their Bachelor of Engineering degree has really covered all the bases for being career ready. Every single lecturer, I'm shocked actually to even reflect on this, has given real life examples that they've experienced themselves. What I've learnt is diverse enough that I could apply to many different jobs, which opens up many different career paths for me. I love nature, I always have, and we need to make sure that there are solutions to real life problems like microplastics and renewable energy and things like that.